All right, so part B here is asking us, what is the maximum amount of money Jody can make under these conditions? So maximum amount of money she can make. Okay, so we have to use these inequalities to figure this out. If she wants to make the most amount of money, she probably wants to work the most number of hours as a website designer because that's where she makes the most money. But she has to work 50 or less hours. So making the most amount of money, she'd be working 50 hours. So maximum, she's working 50 hours. We want to do as much as possible as the website designer because that's where she makes the most amount of money. Bling, 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 bling. But we know that she needs to work, or she wants to work, at least 10 hours per week as a carpenter. So that means we have to pick a number that is greater than or equal to 10 as a carpenter, which let's just make that 10. So let's make her work carpenter hours would be 10. That's the minimum, which would make website designer hours have to be 40 to get 10 plus 40, 50. All right, but that doesn't tell us how much money she can make. We're gonna use from how much she makes at each job. So 10 hours at the carpenter times $35 per hour plus 40 hours at the website designer times $75 per hour. So 10 times 35 is 350 plus 40 times 75. That I'm not going to pretend to want to do in my head. 3,000. That was pretty easy enough. For a maximum amount of money, for $3,350. So notice the way I didn't just pick random numbers. I used the equations or the inequalities that we came up with to figure out what they had to be, because I had to make all of them true. If I plug 10 in for here, that makes it true. 10 is greater than or equal to 10. If I plug it into here, it is going to be greater than or equal to 2350, right? 3,350 is bigger than that. And 10 plus 40 is 50, and 50 is less than or equal to 50. So this works in all situations here.